Hi, I'm Jairo from Contabo. Today, let's talk about something that powers pretty much everything in modern cloud infrastructure, virtualization technology, and why it's the foundation of VPS architecture. Let's get into it. In simple terms, virtualization technology lets one physical server act like many. With the help of the hypervisor, that's the software that sits between the hardware and the virtual machines, we can carve up that physical server into separate virtual servers. Think of the hypervisor like an air traffic controller. It manages which VPS gets which resource and when to keep everything running smoothly. Each VPS runs its own operating system and has its own resources like CPU, RAM, and storage. And from your point of view, it feels just like using a dedicated server, only more flexible and cost-effective thanks to the efficiency of VPS architecture. Now, why is virtualization such a game changer for VPS hosting? Well, first, it gives you a slice of the server that is just for you. Second, it's incredibly easy to scale. You can add more RAM or CPU anytime. Third, it's affordable because one powerful server supports many VPSs. You're not paying for the whole machine. And finally, it's secure. Each VPS is isolated from others on the same hardware thanks to the built-in resource isolation. So what do people actually do with a virtualized VPS? Well, a lot. You can host websites and e-commerce stores with stable performance. You can run game servers that won't lag under pressure, develop and test software in completely isolated environments, or even build complex cloud platforms based on VPS architecture. Some companies run thousands of VPSs at once to handle different tasks. At Contabo, we use KVM, a high-performance Linux-native hypervisor that gives you near bare-metal performance. It's fast, flexible, and lets us keep pricing low while offering stable, powerful virtual servers. Behind the scenes, our in-house monitoring tools even move VPS instances between physical servers automatically, so your performance stays rock solid even when it gets busy. And that is it! Virtualization technology is what makes VPS hosting scalable, affordable, and reliable. And now you know exactly why. If you're curious how to scale your VPS up or down, check out our video on resizing your server without downtime. It's all part of the flexibility this architecture enables. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.